welcome back to part 4 of Flying Wrench Garage. Quite a bit has happened with the bike since our last video. Got real busy at home and had to take care of things with the house and take care of things with work and stuff like that. So I wanted to get the bike done, and trying to set up shots for videos and stuff like that takes so much extra time. I just kind of really focused on getting the bike together, and then I figured I'd just do an update on it. It's a beautiful day though. We're out. It's going to be in the 80s today, mid 80s, and the humidity's high, so I'm sweating like a pig, but I'm really enjoying being out on the bike. Just do a quick video, show you guys what I've done, and do a little bit of riding and enjoy this thing. All right, we'll start with the fairing on here. Seems how it kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. The paint on the bike is Imperial Blue, and they only use this color on 2 different models. Now the fairings are the same on all Voyagers and Vaqueros. The only difference is the colors on them. The rarer the paint, the more expensive the fairing is. Since this has the silver on the tank, it was only used for 1 year with the Imperial Blue. That fairing for that year is no longer available. So the only other year that they had the Imperial Blue was 2020 on the Vaquero. That fairing was $2,400. So what I did is I went through year by year, going through and picking the more common colors, the ones that they used a few more years, and I was able to get this fairing here for a third of the price. So less than a third of the price actually. So I went with this fairing, figuring that it is a matte blue metallic. It's at least blue, and I think it matches the bike good enough that this winter I will take the fairing back off and take it to a body shop and have it painted. But this allows me to be able to enjoy the bike for this summer. I did get the lower fairing on this side in the correct colors, and I've put a few accessories on it. I've got my cup holders here. I don't like them up on the handlebars because I just don't like it so cluttered up front there. Got my Garmin Zumo XT2 GPS, and I got my stereo system. I went with an aftermarket Kenwood stereo system that is Bluetooth enabled. The adapter to put the stereo in, as well as the adapters for the 6.5-inch speakers, came from Engineered Adapters that were featured on my last video. Those are the rear speaker adapters that came from Engineered Adapters. So I have 4 6.5-inch speakers on the bike, powered by a Kenwood. Got my camera mount on the back here for my Insta360 camera, so I can take 360 videos of riding, mounted underneath the tour pack. Got my front camera mount there for my GoPro, and that's that used fender I picked up on eBay. That's off the 2020 Vaquero. These are the Daymaker headlights and auxiliary lights that I put in. It's got the halo around the headlight. Once you hit the start button, then the main headlight will fire up, leaving the halo on. And then the auxiliary lights have the red demon eyes in them with the white halos as well. And when you turn on your turn signals, the white halos on the auxiliary lights turn to amber and work as turn signals as well. There it is with the right turn signal on. The left one stays white and the right one is blinking in amber. And as soon as you turn the turn signals off, it goes back to white halo. But enough talking about it. Let's go out and enjoy this thing. Alright, well, that was just a short video to kind of give an update on what I've done with the bike and a little bit of riding, and mostly just to get out there and enjoy it a little bit. I got to get back to other work around here, other work around the house. Got to get this lawn mowed. We are going to go to the Blessing of the Bikes in Xenia, Ohio at Kilcare Raceway, and I'll be recording, taking footage from there. Things that are going on, and if you have any questions about anything that I've done to the bike, drop a comment below and I'll try my best to answer them, and maybe we can even address them on the next video. And until next time, hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you'll be notified of new videos. I could really use the support. YouTube said that 87% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. And that helps me out if people hit that button and they subscribe. give me an idea of what kind of content you'd like to see. And until next time, thanks for watching Flying Wrench Garage.